So are you saying nang daraya sila?
Oo, nakita ko. Positive. Lahat totoo. Kaya dapat tayo next.
Okay.
Who here loves sports? Can you clap your hands? Now, we have a lot of sports in the Olympics, but what is a sport that you wish was in the Olympics pero wala pa? Sungka is the sport that we are looking at in the Olympics. But before that, there are 4 players on stage. Monica, Carl, Chester, and Bibay. So I'd like you to give me a number from 1 to 10 for Monica. 8. I heard 8. 1 to 10 except 8 for Carl? 5. I heard 5. For Bibay, 1 to 10? 1. Bakit laging 1 yung binibigay sa'yo? And for Chester? 10.
It's the most you've spoken.
Yes.
Well.
So why are they wearing these numbers? The number on their chest represents the number of words they can say per sentence during this timeout with their coach, Papu, who can say as many words as he wants. So ladies and gentlemen, Sungka for the Olympics. Let's give them a round of applause.
Guys! Oh my God, I'm so disappointed! Nasunog na naman yung bahay nila!
Coach, we are so sorry.
Yes, I know, you should be sorry. We trained for 5 years only for you guys to fail. What do you have to say, Mr. Benjamin?
Coach, nakikita ko. Nangiipit sila ng shell dito.
So are you saying nang daraya sila?
Oo, nakita ko. Positive. Lahat totoo. Kaya dapat tayo next.
Okay, kung mandadaya tayo next round, what will we do?
Subok.
So, we've been trying. How about you, Margaret?
I think that our shells are of inferior.
Quality. Mas maganda yung kanila.
Exactly. That's why we have to work hard to get the shells from the other side down to our bases. Diba? Anong nakasulat sa Section 4? Rules of the game.
Sunugin.
Sunugin. We have to get it and make sure we land on an empty spot.
Coach!
Oh, sige na.
I have
Bentong,
a confession.
Confession.
I joined the chess club.
Ulitin mo nga. Ano sabi niya?
Sabi. Yeah, he joined the chess club because here.
Wala, coach. Ako lang kakampi mo. Dapat fire that man.
Fire that man. I like your suggestion.
Please fire me right now.
Coach,
Oh,
bakit hindi na lang kasi palitan yung shell?
papalitan natin yung shell?
Ng mga chess pieces. Please.
Kasya ba yun?
Kasya yon dahil ang radius ng piece is equal hand.
Ito yung sinasabi ko dati pa eh. May...
Advantages yung ibang mga pieces.
Ito nabili na natin yung shell. Okay, yung funder natin, sponsoran, bawat shell tinatakan niya. 12 monkeys, nakasulat.
Bethany, bigyan mo kami advice.
Oo nga, Bethany. Kanina ka pa walang... Itapon.
Itapon. I like your suggestion.
Kung itapon, mawawala ang sunog. Hindi makikita ng referees.
So are you saying na may referee sa sungka? Hindi ko napansin.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the players.
Spit Manila.